Still not over the line.
It's great defending from Cerundolo.
Here comes Kasper, slowly but surely. Cerundolo nicks it. How on earth has he stolen that first set? Full of drama. Oh, brilliant. Inch perfect. 2 match points. Francisco Cerundolo hammers his way into the quarterfinals here in Barcelona. That was some performance. Biggest win of the 24-year-old's career. Takes down the #3 seed and the world #3, Casper Ruud. And he's done it in fine style. No signs of any nerves over the closing stages. Did well to work his way back into the first set. And then it was domination in the second. Delighted with his evening's work. So he should be. He'll be back for the last 8.